Welcome back to the bulletin. Erratic power supply is taking its toll on some enterprises in Ghana. The West African oil, gold and cocoa producer has attributed the situation to the shutdown of a gas processing plant in the western end of the country. Authorities say efforts are being made to fix the problem. With the latest, here's CGTN's Nabil Ahmed Rufai.
A slow day for Isaac Entry. He owns this printing press in Accra and has to deliver some documents to his customers, but his machines are not running due to a power outage.
We have timelines, we have deadlines to meet, so this power outage is not really helping. Sometimes you have to spend extra on fuel, to get the generators powered to finish up the work, and you end up using all your profits.
The power outage in parts of Ghana, including the capital Accra, is affecting many businesses. Business owners at this printing press hub are without power throughout the working day. They say they can't afford alternative power supply, such as a generator, and want the situation addressed as soon as possible. The government says the situation is a result of a shutdown of a faulty gas processing plant in the western region, which supplies fuel to the hydro plants in the country. Engineers are now on site fixing the plant. Ghana's Power Distribution Services team says there's nothing more it can do.
We are not doing generation, and so if upstream they have a problem with fuel in terms of the gas being shut down, it's a matter of they rectifying or completing the job, and then they getting the fuel and then giving us the power to distribute. And that's why we continue to apologize for what has happened, because we don't have control.
However, the country had already been experiencing erratic power supply for close to 3 months now. There are still concerns among Ghanaians about whether the country is not generating enough power from its hydro and thermal plants, as happened 3 years ago, leading to a power crisis. But some energy experts think it's actually due to localized issues, including faulty power transmitters and damage to electricity equipment during storms.
Some of the problems we're having now are not because we don't have generation. The one that comes on and goes off, and sometimes you see the power surging, it is not a generation problem. These are localized problems that we need to be able to address so that we have stable power.
Isaac Entry agrees the country needs a more stable electricity supply. His printing business can only thrive on uninterrupted power. Nabil Ahmed Rufai, CGTN, Accra, Ghana.